Today, I'm showing you how to get the legendary Grand Volcania crop in Grow a Garden. This divine tier plant can make you millions of shekels. Here's what you need to craft it at the cosmetics or crafting stall. Two harvested ember lily crops, one dinosaur egg, one ancient seed pack, 900,000 shekels, 45 minutes crafting time. Getting the materials like ember lily seeds cost 15 million shekels from Tom's seed shop, but only have a 0.03% chance to appear, so keep refreshing. For dinosaur eggs, complete prehistoric dino quests or trade pets. And ancient seed packs come from completing dino quests every 8 hours or craft them with a dinosaur egg and 55 million shekels. You can also buy the Grand Volcania seed for 819 Robux if you don't want to craft it. Once grown, Grand Volcania sells for around 80,000 shekels per harvest, and since it's multi-harvest, you'll make your investment back quickly. And that's how you get Grand Volcania.